If you're looking for an affordable DSLR camera that delivers great image quality, versatility, and ease of use, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, budget-friendly DSLRs offer powerful features like high-resolution sensors, fast autofocus, and full HD video recording without breaking the bank. These cameras are perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos for personal or professional use. From well-known brands like Canon and Nikon, these options provide excellent value, durability, and performance. In this guide, we'll explore the 6 best budget DSLR cameras that balance price and features, ensuring you get the best deal for your photography needs. Stay tuned for the top picks. Number 1. Nikon D5 DSLR camera. The Nikon D5 DSLR is a powerful 20.8 megapixel digital camera designed for professionals who demand speed, precision, and durability. Equipped with dual XQD card slots, it ensures fast data transfer and extended shooting capabilities. Its XSpeed 5 image processor delivers exceptional low-light performance and rapid image processing. The 153-point autofocus system ensures precise subject tracking, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. With 4K UHD video recording, the D5 excels in both photography and videography. The rugged weather-sealed body enhances durability, allowing you to shoot in challenging conditions. Whether capturing high-speed action or stunning landscapes, the Nikon D5 provides unparalleled performance, making it a top choice for serious photographers. Number 2. Nikon D7500 DSLR camera. The Nikon D7500 is a 20.9 megapixel DSLR camera designed for photographers who seek high performance in a compact body. Equipped with the AFSD XNIKKOR 18 to 140 mm f/f 3.5 to 5.6 GEDVR lens, it delivers sharp images and versatile zoom for various shooting scenarios. The XSpeed 5 image processor ensures fast performance, excellent low-light capability, and vibrant color accuracy. Its 51-point autofocus system provides precise subject tracking, making it ideal for action photography. The 4K UHD video recording feature allows for professional quality videos. With a tilting touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, it offers seamless connectivity. The weather-sealed body ensures durability, making the Nikon D7500 a great choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. Number 3. Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera. The Canon EOS 90D is a high-performance DSLR camera designed for photographers and videographers seeking speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic-C 8 image processor, it delivers stunning image quality with vibrant colors and sharp details. The dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures fast and accurate autofocus for both photos and 4K UHD videos, making it perfect for capturing action shots. With a 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, composing shots from different angles is effortless. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable seamless connectivity for sharing and remote control. The EOS 90D's durable body, impressive low-light performance, and high-speed continuous shooting make it an excellent choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is a fantastic entry-level choice for photography enthusiasts. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus processor, it delivers crisp, high-quality images with vibrant colors. The Canon EFS 18 to 55 mm f3.5 to 5.6 zoom lens offers flexibility, allowing you to capture everything from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. It also boasts Wi-Fi and NFC capabilities, making it easy to share your photos and control your camera remotely. This bundle includes everything you need: a 64GB SanDisk memory card, a filter kit, card reader, cleaning kit, and a protective case. With its affordable price and comprehensive features, the Rebel T7 is a perfect choice for beginners. Number 5. Nikon D5100 DSLR camera. The Nikon D5-100 DSLR camera is a versatile and affordable option for photography enthusiasts. With a 16.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, it delivers sharp and vibrant images, making it ideal for both beginners and intermediate users. The included 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 Nikon zoom lens offers flexibility for various types of photography, from wide landscapes to close-up shots. The camera features full HD 1080p video recording for capturing high-quality videos. Its 3-inch vari-angle LCD screen allows easy shooting from different angles. With 5 FPS continuous shooting, it handles action shots with ease. Despite being an older model, the Nikon D5-100 remains a reliable and capable DSLR camera, perfect for those looking to enhance their skills without breaking the bank. Number 6. Canon Rebel T5i DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T5i DSLR body with the Sigma 70 to 300mm f4 to 5.6 lens offers a fantastic combination for photography enthusiasts. Featuring an 18-megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera delivers sharp and vibrant images with a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen for flexible shooting angles. It's capable of full HD 1080p video recording, making it perfect for both stills and video content. The included Sigma 70 to 300mm lens provides impressive zoom capabilities, ideal for wildlife or sports photography. With a 36.9K shutter count, this used camera still offers reliable performance. Its 9-point autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focus, while its lightweight design makes it convenient for travel. Great for hobbyists seeking quality at an affordable price.